Welcome back. Today I will show you how to install Wireshark. So first of all, go to Google and type download Wireshark. And then go to download. Then you just click download installer 64 bits. So by default, Wireshark will detect your OS version. So in this case, the Wireshark downloaded page detect that the OS version I'm using is 64-bit. So just hit download OS version Windows installer 64 bits. And then you can minimize all those the web browser. And then once the download is already there, you go to the download folder, and then you can execute and click the installer. So here you just click yes. So the Wireshark installer is open. So now you just click next. So here you just click noted, license agreement. You just click next. And then here where you about the suggestion, so you can just click put it on desktop, and then you just click next. So where is the path to install the Wireshark, just click next. And then whether you want to install PCAP 1.31 by default, if you already install WinPCAP 1.41, Wireshark installer detect that your operating system already having PCAP. So don't do anything, just click next. So here, whether you want to install USB PCAP 1.5.4.0, if you are using your external wireless adapter, so you just click, you just can click install. So if you don't need, you use internal OS wireless network, or you have an internal network, so just click install. Now you just click next, and then you just click finish and power up the Wireshark. So open the Wireshark. So by default, if the installer is successful, Wireshark will detect your interface, your network interface. So for you to test the Wireshark, look for the most active interface. So in this case, the Wireshark detect that my internet interface is the most active interface. So click on this interface. So Wireshark already detect Wireshark already able to capture some data on my interface. So here is the packet already show in the Wireshark application. So with this, we can assume that our Wireshark is already working properly, and we can test with whatever we want to capture. So after you have finished capture, you just thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share this link around. Sharing is caring. Thank you for your time.